Hi friends, this video is going to be on Adronil Tablets. Adronil Tablets contain Ibandronate Sodium, 150 milligrams in every tablet, and the price for the tablet is $5.90. The box has only one tablet in it. It's made by Serve Pharmaceuticals. Ibandronate is used to prevent and treat certain types of bone loss. Osteoporosis causes bones to become thinner and break more easily. Your chance of developing osteoporosis increases after menopause as you age, or if you take corticosteroid medications such as prednisone for long periods. This medication works by slowing bone loss to help maintain strong bones and reduce the risk of broken bones. Ibandronate belongs to a class of medications called biphosphonates. Take this medication with a full glass of water. Do not take it with other beverages. Do not chew or suck the tablet or keep it in mouth to melt. Swallow the tablet whole, then stay fully upright for at least 60 minutes and do not lie down until after your first food of the day. Wait at least 60 minutes after taking Ibandronate before you eat or drink anything other than plain water and before taking any other medications by mouth. Take this medication regularly to get the most benefit from it. Remember to take it on the same day each month. You can take one tablet in 1 month. It may help to mark your calendar with a reminder. Talk to your doctor about risk and benefits of long-term use of this medication. Some side effects of this medications are stomach upset, diarrhea, pain in the arms and legs, or mild flu-like symptoms such as fatigue, muscle ache may occur. If any of these effects persist or worsen, tell your doctor or pharmacist promptly. Remember that your doctor has prescribed this medication because he or she has judged that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. Many people using this medication do not have serious side effects. Tell your doctor right away if you have any serious side effects, including increased or severe bone, joint, muscle pain, new or unusual hip, thigh, groin pain, jaw pain, vision changes, etc. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you.